In this video, I will show you two methods to find new returning customers. The first is the calculated column. I'm in table view. This is the data. As you can see, there are several columns. This is coming from 311 service request, Little Rock, Arkansas. There is a street address column and a date column. I'll be using these two columns and create a calculated column which is named as new and repeat. I will quickly show you the logic behind creating that calculated column. First, I've used filter function, and for the filter function, I have used the table, and I've wrapped all function over the table. And also the logic here is the expression for the filter function is that if this address, street address, is equal to earlier address, that is one condition. And also another condition is the date should be less than earlier date. So this is the filter. And since this will output a table, so I have wrapped that around count rows function. And also on top of that, I have used if function, and if count rows is greater than 0, the result will be repeat, if not new. So this way I get my new repeat customers. So this is how I've calculated, used a calculated column to find new and repeat customers. This is the next method. I will show you some measures to find new and returning customers. The first measure is current customers. I've used distinct count function over the column, street address column from the table. And the next measure is returning customers. I've used several variables as shown here. The first variable is current date, is min of the date from the calendar table. And the second variable is current customers. I've used values function over the street address column. And the third variable is past customers. I've used calculate table, and I've used values function as a first parameter for that. And these are the table expressions. I've used all function over calendar table date, and calendar table date is less than current date. And this will give me my past customers. And I've used another variable, returning customers. In that, I've used intersect function. Intersect function will return the rows of left side table which appear in the right side table. So finally, I've counted the rows of returning customers. So I have this measure ready. And calculating new customers is pretty easy. Current customers minus returning customers will give me new customers. So I have used these measures in a visual. On top, you see a slicer. A month year is coming from the calendar table. This is the matrix. You have date in the rows and all the three measures which we have created. As and when we make selections, the values will change. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.